Hello, 大家好. I'm Sam Duckett, and I'm here at the Tibetan Language High School in Shangri-La City. This is a trilingual school, which means classes here are taken in Mandarin Chinese, Tibetan, and English. I'm here at the Tibetan language class of the Tibetan Language School, and this is where they learn about grammar, vocabulary, and gotta be honest, I actually don't know what they learn in this class. We can find out. 小同学，我想问一下，你们上课一般你们都学什么？
我们通常都学一些逻辑学啊，天文学啊什么之类的。
啊？
拉里巴、次马里巴那些。
那是什么意思？
那就是声律学。
啊。
然后是逻辑学。
OK。老师，我有个问题，如果我要用藏语来说 Sam 是最棒的，那该怎么讲？
好，我们大家一起来告诉 Sam 好不好？
好。
Sam，
呀手，
再大声的告诉他一遍。
Sam 呀手。
Okay, so if you want to say Sam is the best, which I think could be pretty useful on any holiday, in Tibetan it's Sam, you heard the rest. 老师，我还有最后一个问题，如果我要把我的英文名字 Sam 翻译成藏语的话，该怎么翻译？或者您能给我起一个藏文名吗？
我们大家给 Sam 想一个藏族的名字好不好？
好。
什么名字好呢？那我们给 Sam 取一个扎西的名字好不好？
好。
祝愿他一直吉祥好不好？扎西是吉祥的意思啊。
对。
扎西。英文是
happiness。
So it means lucky and happiness. And I feel quite lucky to be here. I've had a load of fun learning Tibetan in this classroom. So that concludes my trip of the Tibetan Language High School. It's been an interesting experience. The teaching staff here are really diligent, and the atmosphere on the campus is lovely. The kids here can learn about their culture and make their own decisions about their future. And that's it. 你们都做了人，难道不用写作业吗？大下午不应该去写功课吗？